What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Killer B coming back at you with another video. Hey, before we start this video, make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button for your boy. Hey, the subscriber count is moving on up, and I appreciate you all for coming on here and rocking with your boy. Hey, I know I've been absent for a little while, but I'm back and ready to rock. But hey, we got a great video for you today, and hey, I think you're gonna like this because I think it will help preserve the life of your motor just a little while longer. So I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about in a few minutes. But y'all, if you caught my last video when I did the polar ride, this company presented me with something, and that's what's gonna help your bike. And I'm gonna get into it and show you what it is right after this. What's up, y'all? We back, y'all. Hey, y'all know, if you've been following the channel, you know I'm a big figure riding designs guy. I got quite a few of their products on my bike. My dude Kerry and Keith, man, great guys, man. If you hadn't checked out the website, go check out their website. And man, the quality of their stuff, hey man, you can't go wrong with it. But as you see in my hand here, this is the dipstick. I already got it on the bike. If you caught my last video that I did with the polar ride, you see that they presented me with this right here. And this right here is what's gonna help your motor, I think, last a little while longer. The reason why I say that, this dipstick helps get all the metal fragments out of it. You know you got that little plug on the bottom when you change your oil. If you do change your oil, it's a little plug on the bottom where you pull the drain plug out. It's got a little magnet on the end. But that only gets the stuff when it's running out, I think, or when your bike settles. But the oil stick, I think it gets it while you're moving. So, and all the little metal fragments gets onto the motor. I'm getting ready to change my oil. You see I'm rocking a red line. That's why I want to bring you this video. I want to show you what this dipstick does right here. Let me get a rag. Let me show you this dipstick. And I hadn't crunked the bike up since the polar ride, y'all. I hadn't been riding. It's been really, really cold in the teens. But this dipstick is figure riding design. You see, I'm a big figure riding design man. You see the timing cover. You see the swing on cover as well here. And I told you that I was putting small pieces of red on here. And this is one of the pieces that I'm putting on here. And you can see the oil. The bike ain't been crunked, and it's time for the oil to be changed. This right here, y'all, that's some metal fragments on here right now. But I'm gonna crank the bike up. I'm not gonna go ride it. I don't feel like riding right now. But that's some of the metal fragment that's on this bike, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. It's time for an oil change, big time. But this get all the metal fragments out of your bike. And y'all, this is a strong magnet. Look at all that metal right there, y'all. That is metal. I want to show you how strong this magnet is right here. Look at that. Do you see that? When your bike is running, just think of all the metal that's going around in your bike. All that little metal fragment. Y'all, don't think you don't have it because you do. Motors wear out, and that's just what they does. You just think this will help get all that out. When you do your oil changes, you just take it and clean it off. That's all you gotta do. And I just want to come over here and show you this because this is gonna work wonders for your bike as well. You might not think so, but I think so. So yeah, man, it's worth getting. Some of you might like, man, it's a little pricey, but hey, man, for good stuff, good products that's gonna help your bike and help your engine, yeah, I think it's worth it. And you can get this in blue, red, I think orange, black, silver, chrome, hey, all the colors he got them. And you can also get this customized as well and get your logo on here. So you have to call and talk to Kerry or Keith and go from there and check that out, man. But y'all, this is well worth getting. I'm gonna keep saying that this is well worth. Like all his other products on my bike, is well worth getting. Like I have the docking cover, I have the lug nut cover, y'all. It's just well worth getting. I'm gonna tell you that. So make sure you go check out designs.com. Go check out my dude Kerry and them. Show them some love, man. And Kerry, I want to say thank you and Keith, man. I appreciate you all. Y'all been rocking with me, man, since Kerry saw my video one Saturday morning, him and his wife, and they've been rocking with me ever since. I love you, bro. Appreciate you. So y'all, make sure you go check out the website. I'm finna get ready to change the oil on this bike, and I'm gonna have to crank it up a little bit. I think I'm gonna crank it up, then I'm gonna let you see some of the metal. I'm not finna ride it. I'm gonna let you see some of the metal that probably is gonna get on here. I'm gonna let it run probably about 5 minutes. I probably won't video the whole thing, but I am gonna crank it up, let the motor warm. I gotta let it warm up. You see how thick that oil and that metal was on the end of that, because I just rolled it over here. So yeah, let me get this in here. We're gonna crank the bike up. I'm gonna give you a cold start on it real quick, and you can hear how Khrome sounds. But check out some of the little red products that I'm putting on the bike with the figure out designs. Then I got the screen. I had that powder coated right there, and I got the red cap on there as well. So yeah, man, just a very few little pieces of red. It's not gonna be a whole lot. I don't want to make it too gaudy. I just want something just to stick out just a little bit. But y'all, let me do a cold start on here, and so we can get this motor warmed up. And I'm gonna pull the dipstick one more time so that you can see the metal that might be on this end right there. I got that easy shift on here. That boy just popping neutral just like that. Look at that. All right, y'all, we just finished. You hear the pipe and everything, so it done got a little warm. So we're getting ready to change this oil because it's past due. All the little metal fragments in here, y'all. Yeah, and you can really see when you go riding and then make a quick stop. I didn't ride mine, but yeah. That's gonna help your bike big time, y'all. Got a little metal fragments in here. Yeah. So y'all, I really appreciate you all rocking with your boy. I'm grateful, I'm thankful, y'all. I'm really thankful for you all just rocking with me. Me and Khrome journey, y'all. I got a few little things that I'm gonna change on here. I got a new badge coming. It's gonna be fire, y'all. Just wait. And I'm waiting on my chin spoiler. So these probably gonna be coming off, most definitely, because I got BadBoyz Cyclez saddlebag guards over there already ready to go on here after I put this new chin spoiler on here. And y'all, and I just got pieces of red. I got the cigarette lighter that's the same color red, and plus y'all see my clutch with the red in it. So yeah, man, just a few little things red and popping off just a little bit, give it a little pop of color. But y'all, we're gonna end this video because I gotta change this oil because I go to Daytona. I gotta have Khrome right because y'all know that's 17.5 hours. If you don't know, now you know. Go check out the video where I did my saddle sore. I've been to Daytona 2 years, back-to-back years, y'all. Rocking Khrome right here. No issues, y'all. Y'all, until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed day, man. Hey, the weather looking nice. A little chilly still, but 48, hey man, I can rock with that. Y'all, I'm out of here. Peace. I love y'all. If you're not rocking Odom MFG gloves, that is what these are right here. Make sure you go check out the website. This is not sponsored. I bought all this stuff. Check this out, man. Odom MFG gloves. I got the perforated, I got the heavy hitter, and I got the sports light, man. They got magnets in them. Go check out the website, y'all, and get you some of these Odom MFG gloves. Now I'm out of here. Peace.